Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting your PC ready. Install a reliable Android emulator and update it. Once done, sign into the web account where you want two-factor authentication and open security or two-step verification. Make sure your phone's Google Authenticator or backup codes are accessible. You'll need them to avoid lockout. Next, choose the option to set up an Authenticator app. Don't click SMS, because the emulator will act like your phone. Now proceed to generate the QR code on that account page. You'll install Google Authenticator inside the emulator from the Play Store and open it. After accepting permissions, choose to add an account. Point the emulator's camera at the QR code on your PC browser or select manual entry and type the secret key shown on the web page. Once the app shows a rotating 6-digit code, type that code into the website's verification field. This links the emulator app to your account, making the PC generate time-based codes just like your phone. You'll finish by confirming the verification code on the website and saving backup codes somewhere secure, print or store offline. Then test logging out and back in to verify the emulator-generated code works. If something goes wrong, make sure the emulator's system clock is accurate. Time drift breaks top. If codes still fail, remove and re-add the account using manual secret entry, because scanning can misread. Finally, keep a recovery method ready so you won't be locked out if the emulator is removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.